Hi everyone, welcome to watch la Cosedora nail art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing this pretty romantic design using mini nail art stencils. So let's do it. Well, I already have my nails polished with intense pink and silver, and here I have different patterns like flowers, bears, hearts. Lovely. It's so important to have your base color completely dry. I'm going to use this glitter color for these cute hearts. Remove a stencil immediately. Now we are going to make a gradient over stencils. There is no problem here. You can repeat the gradient process as you need because the layer is thin and it wouldn't get ruined. I will show you that these stencils are reusables. This is the bow that I've used a few moments ago and I can use it up to 4 times. Just place a stencil, make gradient and remove immediately. And here is the result of this beautiful, fast and easy design. Hope you like it. Let me know in comments if you have used nail art stencils and how was your experience with them. Don't forget to visit our Amazon store, I'm leaving the link in the description. Hope these tips can be helpful and don't forget to see previous videos. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you the next time, bye!